Hi, this is Adrienne Osborne, and this is today's 2-minute vocal tip. Today's tip is great for breath support. It's great for finding your mix. I've been using this on all of my students for the past 2 or 3 weeks, and even singers who have a pretty persistent break right on their main passagio are finding that they don't have a break with this exercise. So it's a great first step into finding how to mix and not have a break between your chest and your head range. So I'm going to call it Chipmunk Cheeks. It looks and sounds like this. Basically, I am puffing my cheeks up with air that is pressed up from my belly. So I look a lot like a trumpet player. So your lips here are providing the resistance to the air. Your cheeks are just going to puff up. It's a natural effect of what you're doing here. All right, let's run a few of these. I'll start about here. Man, you can drop down an octave. Cool, I'll stop there. That one's just so great for releasing your throat. It's kind of hard to even engage your throat on that one. Go ahead and try that one out. I think it's a great one. All right, see you next time.